Welcome, dear gardening lovers. Do you want a beautiful garden but don't have the time or energy for daily maintenance? Wondering how to make your garden lush and healthy without much effort? Stay tuned as today we will reveal the secrets of simple gardening, perfectly suited for those who want to enjoy the fruits of their labor but without a full time job. Curious about which plants require the least maintenance? What if I told you that you could have beautiful flowers and vegetables without having to spend hours watering or weeding? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, which is the easiest plant to maintain in your garden? Maybe you have a trick you want to share with us? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss future helpful gardening tips videos. Today, we'll focus on plants that are easy to sustain, and we'll also give you tips on how to organize your garden so you don't spend too much time maintaining it. Sounds great, doesn't it? Even if you don't have a lot of time or are looking for simpler gardening methods, this video is for you. Stay with us until the end, and you will learn how to grow a luxurious garden without too much work, and the result will delight you. Let's start with the first tip. Choose plants that are resistant and require minimal maintenance. There are species that not only survive, but thrive with little watering, without constant weeding and special care. For example, plants like lavender, rosemary, and sage are perfect for gardens that need less attention. These plants are not only drought tolerant, they also smell wonderful. Now, if you grow vegetables, consider plants that are easy to maintain, such as zucchini, Swiss chard, or beans. These types of vegetables do not require constant monitoring. Plant them and let nature do its thing. Also, parsley and basil are excellent allies because they do not require special care, and you will always have fresh spices on hand. Next, one of the easiest ways to reduce the work of watering is to install an irrigation system. Drip irrigation or even a regular garden hose system with a timer can save you a lot of time. Gardeners, watering doesn't have to be a daily chore. Also, mulching is your best friend when it comes to retaining moisture and reducing weed growth. Mulch, such as straw, compost, or tree bark, not only reduces the number of times you need to water, but also prevents weeds from taking over your garden. Double win, right? Do you use mulch in your garden? If so, what are your favorite types? Write in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Also, if you have any questions about simple gardening, feel free to leave them. I'll be happy to help. And finally, remember, gardening doesn't have to be hard work. By choosing the right plants, using an irrigation system and mulch, you can have a beautiful and fruitful garden without constant effort. So if you want to enjoy the fruits of your labor with minimal effort, try these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends who are looking for easier ways to garden. Until next time, may your garden flourish and bring you joy without a lot of hassle.